Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to use AirDrop on Windows PC. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows PC. In the search bar, type AirDrop.net and press enter. Look for the Snapdrop and PainDrop links in the search results and click on them. Once you're on the AirDrop website, your device will be ready to connect. Accept any prompts or requests to allow file transfers between your devices. Next, switch to your mobile device and open Google Chrome. In the search bar, type AirDrop.net and press enter. Tap on the first link that appears in the search results to go to the AirDrop website. On your mobile device, you should see a screen similar to the one on your PC. The devices will automatically detect each other and prompt you to connect. Accept the connection request on both devices to establish the connection. Now on your mobile device, select the file you want to transfer. You can do this by tapping on the file icon or using the file browser to locate the file you want to send. Once selected, confirm the file transfer. Back on your PC, you will receive a notification or prompt asking if you want to accept the incoming file transfer. Click on accept and start the download. The file will begin to download your PC. Once the transfer is complete, you can find the file in your default download location or the folder you specified. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.